Paradise of Kashmir, breathing under atrocities of Hindutva forces. If we talk about Kashmir under Dogra Raj, almost 200,000 Kashmiri Muslims lost their lives at that time. Kashmir being the world's most militarized zone till date, which rendered a whole valley into a death well. Number of political prisoners in Kashmir is in thousands, but with no legal protection.
This with the law job, the work gypsy. They want to make a cormo. I mean, your roast the guys were roast. Play even at home by the spot.
The relentless use of pellet guns for crowd control lead to the first ever case of mass blinding in the world, which victimizes minors and women. Indian brutalities have lawlessly swallowed the lives of thousands of Kashmiris, leaving their families in horrible trauma. Decades of conflict have formed many half-widows, whose husbands have disappeared by occupational forces but are not declared deceased. After more than 80 days, and over 70 years of Indian occupation forces and their brutalities in Indian-occupied Kashmir, Kashmiris are increasingly losing faith in the tool of justice and liberty that this world has to offer. International powers should intervene to save the feeble from the jaws of the brute.